Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The closing bell has sounded, and the markets have managed to return to their near record highs. The Dow closed up 186 points. The S&P closed at 2585. Now, the record for this one was actually 2594, which was set earlier this month. And the Nasdaq, actually, as a matter of percentage of change, had the biggest jump, climbed 87 points. That's 1.3% higher than where it opened. Now, as we reported earlier, the House passed its version of the tax reform plan. It passed largely along party lines, except for 13 Republicans who voted no, mainly because it limits deductions for state and local taxes. The market has already been climbing all year long on the hopes of tax reform, so today's vote didn't really seem to have that big of an impact, and that's because there are major differences between this and the Senate's plan, and getting it done by the end of the year is still a big question mark, but we will be watching to see what happens. Shares of Barnes & Noble jumped 16% this afternoon. Take a look at this jump right here. Right in the middle of the day. This happened at about 12, just a little after noon, after an activist investor suggested taking the company private. Sundell Asset Management proposed the idea of valuing the bookseller at $650 million, or about $9 a share. It actually closed at $7.10 a share by the time the bell rung. Now, BNN has actually taken a tumble, losing 30% in value this year alone, thanks in large part to, who else? Amazon. But the company's chairman says he doesn't like the plan as it stands right now, so that is still on hold. And speaking of Amazon, Calvin Klein has announced it will be selling its newest underwear line exclusively through Amazon for the holiday season. So department stores are not going to be getting any of them until January. Shares of PVH, and that is the parent corporation, stands for Phillips Van Heusen. It jumped more than 2% after that deal was announced. And I just want to take one more look at Walmart. This is actually the reason that the market was up today. After their earnings report, they ultimately closed almost 11% higher than where they started, closing at $99.60 a share. Hey, that's it for today. Be sure to follow Real Investment News on Facebook and Twitter. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow morning.